Hello friends, welcome to Technique. As you can see that today I have got this scanner called Honeywell 1250G USB. Yes, this is a USB barcode scanner and it is normally taken against the Zebras or Motorola's LS2208 barcode scanner. This is a 1D barcode scanner and I have got this new pack. Let's unbox this and let's see what is inside this box. And now I'm cutting the seal over here. Yeah, now let's see what is inside this box. Yeah, the very first one is the cable, the USB cable. Yes, this is the portion of the cable which you connect to the barcode scanner, and another portion of the cable is of USB, and that you can connect it to your system or to your laptop. So this is very simple. Easily you can locate this portion in your barcode. There is an option for that, and it is plug and play kind of thing. Now come to the next, and this is barcode scanner along with quick start guide. Except this, there isn't anything. So this is the one which this is the main unit of this unbox. This is 1250G Honeywell's barcode scanner. The grip is very awesome, and you get along with it the Honeywell Voyager 1250G quick start guide. This guide plays a vital role in the sense that there are various codes in this this kind of barcode scanner. You can play this scanner. You can use this scanner at various mode, and that is going to make you to have a proper look of proper use of this barcode scanner. If you want to put this scanner on auto scan mode, it will do, but you have to scan certain barcode which is inside this quick start guide. So this is a very vital thing and very important thing, and you can have a better look, better understanding about this scanner's usability through this quick start guide. Anyway, this scanner comes with 5 years warranty, and that will be a very good deal for you. Normally this scanner is available in the Indian market at the rate of around 5,000 bucks, 5,000 Indian rupees, and the warranty is really very important thing in this one, and you get it at a better price, I can say this. And this is a very long duration, or the lasting of this product goes very long. You can easily use this scanner, easily you can trust on this scanner for at least 5 years. And if you want to buy this scanner, then you are free to visit our website called cardcur.com. The link of the same is mentioned in the description, and you can find this scanner at a very, very cheap price on that website. And I would request you again to please subscribe our channel, so that that kind of subscription gives us encouragement to create such kind of videos, and that is going to make you enable to hear, to see what kind of stuff you are using in the industrial IT segment. So this is the barcode. Soon we will be coming with more videos. Keep subscribing and keep watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching.